guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making this super adorable watermelon squishy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in a comment what squishy should I make next. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So for this DIY, you're going to need memory foam. I got memory foam from a pillow that I bought from Walmart. I'll have a link for it down below if I can find it. Using a pen, I'm making a very rough triangle-like shape. It is super rounded at the edges, but if you want, you could make the edges very sharp. I just wanted it to have more of a rounded look. Using a pair of scissors, I'm going to start cutting the memory foam. As you can see, I did use a very thick piece of memory foam, and you want to make sure that you do have enough space to actually cut and shape the foam. The key here is to do very small little snips. That's going to really help you shape it, because if you start cutting too much, you could end up cutting like a small indent, and then you would have to do more cutting to kind of level it down, if that makes any sense. So this may take a while, but be patient because it's going to turn out awesome at the end. So I'm going to be using fabric paint by the brand Tulip, and I started with the green, so I'm just outlining the bottom. And again, I made this very rounded, but if you want, you could just make like sharp lines, whatever you prefer. Now I'm going in with a paintbrush and I'm kind of blending out the green. I'm using white to draw a thin line like so. Then I took the red pinkish paint and I'm going to just put that all over. I am wearing a pair of gloves and I'm doing this with my finger because that really helps it blend. And it also helps you kind of get an even layer. And by the way, to get this color, I just took some red fabric paint and I added a little bit of white. That kind of made it into that watermelon-like color. I'm making the face using some black fabric paint, but you can also add the face using acrylic paint. It will have a little bit of a different finish, but you can use acrylic paint for the face. Anyway, now I'm adding the little details inside the eyes, and then I'm going to add the blush. My camera kind of went out of focus, but I took some black and I'm making the seeds. Let the squishy dry for about 24 hours before you start playing with it. And there is the completed watermelon squishy. Let me know in a comment what squishy should I make next. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. I love you so much and I will see you in my next one.